water slide.
Thank you. For being so light, that thing's riding very good.
Yeah, it does.
And the benefits which result from its use. Hydrax water absorption rate, which is superior to most competitive products in its ability to resist the ruinous effects of water. And this equates to much less blistering of the hull surface during the lifetime of a boat. These coupons exhibit the effects of boiling distilled water for 100 hours at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. A vigorous test procedure conducted on clear cast resin coupons with no glass or fillers, thereby comparing each resin on its individual merits. The ortho resin coupon showed severe cracking internally and externally, as well as major surface degradation. The results, blistering. The iso resin coupon shows numerous small pinhead-sized blisters, as well as extensive cracking throughout the entire panel. The vinyl ester coupon has many small dimples throughout the panel, but does not show any evidence of cracking. The Hydrex coupon shows no signs of cracking or of blistering after boiling for 100 hours. The high strength and toughness factors of Hydrex mean less potential for cracking during demolding, as well as during the assembly of hulls to decks. But more importantly, greater impact resistance when the boat is placed into service. This impact resistance is confirmed in lab testing, as well as in actual conditions under very high and very low temperatures. This is due to those high strength and toughness characteristics. Hydrex was also developed to minimize the appearance of the pattern of the reinforcement fabrics on the finished boat surfaces. This is typically seen as post-cure. Hydrex, however, due to its excellent cure rate, helps to eliminate this unsightly problem, creating a smooth, unblemished, and glossy hull finish, while still giving the strength, toughness, and blister resistance no other product can offer to today's boat builders. For example, these laminate samples were fabricated using 20 mils of black gel coat, 3 plies of 1.5 ounce mat, alternated with 2 plies of 24-ounce woven roving. After a 24-hour room temperature cure, the samples were placed under infrared heat lamps for 1.5 hours to demonstrate the resin's ability to reduce or eliminate reinforcement pattern when properly applied. The panels are then placed in front of this fluorescent light grid box for a determination of the degree of surface distortion. The reflected grid lines clearly show any surface defects. Reflected lines that are wide or wavy are the result of light being scattered from an uneven, non-uniform surface. Comparing the Hydrex panel to the competitive general purpose resin, we see considerable distortion on the general purpose resin. The reflected grid lines are wavy and vague. The lines reflected in the Hydrex panel are sharp and clear. When comparing the Hydrex to the competitive iso resin, we see the same type of results. Sharp lines with the Hydrex, distortion with the iso. Panels made with competitive vinyl ester resin also show the heavy surface distortion in comparison to the Hydrex. Compare the 4 previously seen sample laminates, and you can clearly see the high reflective distortion-free surface of Hydrex. This means a boat with minimal fiberglass pattern. While it is true that low-profile resins can exhibit smoother surfaces than Hydrex, it is well known that low-profile type resins do not offer the hydrolytic stability or strength and toughness features of Hydrex. Many boat manufacturers have been pleased with the surface appearances of boats made with Hydrex. In addition to high strength, low profile, and blister resistance, Hydrex, the ideal marine resin, will provide a stable gel time, meaning consistency in gel and cure times at various catalyst levels, which other high-performance resins cannot deliver. Another important feature is easy handling properties, such as easy wet-out of glass reinforcements. Hydrex is a versatile product, suitable for hand layup or spray-up applications. It is used in most all laminate configurations, including those utilizing woven roving, chopped strand mat, cloth, unidirectional fabrics, and aramid fibers, as well as various core materials. So far, we have been generous in our praise for our resin. We are all aware, however, that the proof is in the testing. And Hydrex has undergone extensive testing under both laboratory and actual service conditions. First, a laminated panel produced with Hydrex was subjected to one-side exposure to 150 degree Fahrenheit water for 1 year. Additional test specimens were placed in boiling water for 100 hours. The resin's properties, evaluated before and after exposure to these severe conditions, were significantly higher than the results of competitive conventional and high-performance resins. Gel-coated laminates were exposed to temperatures as high as 200 degrees and as low as 20 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, and evaluated for strength and resistance to cracking. Hydrex resin showed excellent stability under this rigorous testing program. After the resin passed these laboratory tests, boat hulls, ranging from large sailboats to high-performance power models, were manufactured with Hydrex resin by independent boat builders and subjected to their own comprehensive testing programs. Mechanical and physical properties were also checked by independent testing houses, resulting in approval by Lloyd's Register of Shipping, which ensures that international standards of quality have been met. Further testing resulted in meeting the requirements of military specification MIL R7575C, Grade A, Class O. All data, information, and comparisons of Hydrex used in testing are available from Rycol Chemicals Incorporated and are readily available to prospective customers. While it would require a presentation of substantial length to place all the testing material before you at this time, we feel it is important to note these significant findings. In comparing the Hydrex to the competitive vinyl ester resin, we see that the Hydrex outperforms the vinyl ester in most areas. We feel this is due to the deleterious effects on physical properties imparted by the use of special thixotropes often required in vinyl ester resins. Hydrex outperforms other high-performance resins on blister resistance, cure, profile consistency, and handling characteristics. And tensile elongation of 2.9% means Hydrex can be used in constructions requiring fiberglass as well as aramid fibers. And Hydrex is excellent for use in laminates, which utilize core technology, where one side of the structure is under expansion while the opposite side is exposed to compressive forces. Core laminates have a high modulus, so they tend to be more rigid, and this can result in lower strength factors. A primary benefit of using Hydrex is the increased strength and toughness features which Hydrex imparts to laminates. This will improve the overall strength of the core laminates, even when used only as a skin laminate. Another point to keep in mind is the difficulty in fiberglass wet-out when using vinyl ester resins or competitive high-performance resins. Less than optimum resin-to-glass ratios may occur. This can result in resin-rich areas and dry laminate sections, causing defects and structural failure. There are two versions of Hydrex, 33-250, which has a gel time of 20 minutes and cure development in 1.5 hours, and 33-253, with a 14-minute gel time. Each requires no special...
Well, let's see if we can get it. Well, oh, I got a close-up of it.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful.
Here's our boat.
You just...
Bob. Our boat.
Marilyn, are you having fun, Marilyn? Josephine, she just fell on her knee and hurt it, but now I think she's healthy again. There's Katie, she's riding inside the boat. Michael's running the boat, having a lot of fun. And here I am. Okay. Maybe we didn't bring enough rods out, huh? Ah, nice fish, Jose. Let me get it here.
Following it up. Oh.
Bring it over, Katie. Bring it over. To the reel this time, honey.
I won't. I see him.
Okay. Now lift him back up over.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Michael's on a fish.
Ouch.
Mama's catching a fish. Okay, let go of it. Don't let go now, honey. We'll swap her. Oh, nice fish, Michael. Okay, real smooth. Hold it. Back up. Back up, real smooth. Real smooth. Oh, she looks like a nice one. Girls, you're doing good here. Be real smooth. Now, don't reel him up too close to the rod this time. Ooh, boy, he's fighting. Keep reeling. Nice and smooth. Hold it as you let me see what you have when you reel.
Hurry.
Hold it. This is a bigger fish. Now hold it here. You don't want to, you just widen the reel up. Okay, do it now. Nice and smooth. Just let it. No?
There he is.
Let me see it. Nice and smooth. Be nice.
Oh my God, it's young. The next girl.
All right.
Katie Colleen McCurdy.
nice little fighter.
Little baby.
Little baby yellowtail. Very good deep. We'll these are great barbecue. Okay. Good going, Katie. You hooked him all by yourself. What a job.
You hooked him by yourself and you caught a yellowtail. It's your first yellowtail.
We're going to be catching fish as fast as we're bringing them in. All right. Come on in, girls. Oh, my.
Bob, we're gonna fill up this tank bucket before you know it.
You just what?
Here, I'll hold it.
Oh, bring them over, honey.
They're huge. Bob, you want me to give you a...
Nice, nice fish. Nice fish, baby.
Using the cutting board for that.
All right. Now, I can't
Where's
take
the pliers?
pictures. Here, I'll do it. Here, you got it?
Where's the pliers? I can get this one out, I think.
I'm going to get more pliers out here. Don't let them get mixed up.
You have two of them? Key.
Ow.
I'm gonna have to take a bath. Yes, I am
I think
too.
these kind of pliers will work just dandy. We don't want to hook another fish on.
Oh, yeah.
My God. This is the fishiest hole we've been in a long time.
Oh, I nibble. Don't fight.
Don't fight. He's fighting for his life.
I know.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, bring him on up.
Now bring him up.
God. Okay, I think, hold him over the thing. I think we can take him off. Can you take him? You got one?
I wouldn't even all the way down. Where's the pliers? That's all I need to know.
All right, they're right there somewhere. They're